when you see God working, God changing lives, God transforming lives, God making our lives to such that to be whole, we hate sin, we love righteousness, we are pursuing God and God and God and only the things of God, that we have money and it is not dubious. We have integrity, we have character, we see God in our home. Do you understand that? That you raise your children, they are godly good. That's the king. That's the king. Not that PDP, pastor deceiving parishioners. Not husband and wife wearing and wearing uniform, but their spirits are against each other. The spirit is against each other. No. So we want God to reign in our heart and in real reality, reign in the life of our children and reign in our community, and righteousness is all over.